Welcome to Review Rumble. The best extendable fishing pole is probably one of the most versatile and convenient tools a modern angler can have in their arsenal, offering unparalleled adaptability for various fishing environments and techniques, from casting from a rocky shore to maneuvering in a tight boat or kayak, ensuring you're always prepared for that unexpected bite, no matter where your adventures take you. Number 5. Sougayilang Carbon Fiber Fishing Rod Reel Combo. Introducing the Sougayilang Fishing Rod and Reel Combo, crafted for anglers who love to travel. It's made from 100% carbon fiber for durability and lightweight performance. This complete set includes a carbon fiber telescopic rod, a spinning reel, a carrier bag, lures, fishing line, and essential accessories. Everything you need for your next fishing adventure is right here. The rod features a high-density carbon fiber and fiberglass blend for strength and durability. Its advanced guide rings ensure better heat dissipation and reduced friction for smoother casting. Experience ultra-smooth performance with its 13+1 corrosion-resistant ball bearings and a powerful 5.5:1 gear ratio. The interchangeable handle and lightweight aluminum spool offer exceptional control and comfort. Its lightweight and portable design makes it easy to carry, fitting perfectly in your car trunk, boat, or backpack. Enjoy fishing whenever and wherever you desire. We stand by our product with a 1-year service guarantee. If you encounter any issues, our customer service team is ready to assist you promptly. What we like. This combo is perfect for anglers who want a complete setup right out of the box. It includes everything you need for a fishing trip, making it incredibly convenient. If you are looking for a hassle-free, all-in-one solution for travel fishing, this is the one for you. What people say. The rod is very light and sensitive, making it easy to feel even the slightest nibble. It extends smoothly and locks securely in place, which is great for different fishing situations. The reel seat is sturdy and holds the reel firmly, even with larger catches. Number 4. RESTCLOUD Telescoping Fishing Landing Net. Introducing our fishing net, built with sturdy nanomix netting and a corrosion-resistant stainless steel handle. It's designed for long-term performance and reliable use in both saltwater and freshwater environments. Featuring a 13-inch ring and an 11-inch net depth, this tool is perfect for ensuring your catch stays secure. It's an ideal solution for both children and adults, supporting catch and release practices. With a lightweight telescopic handle that extends from 15 to 59 inches, it's perfect for landing fish in various water bodies. Use it in your fish tank, pond, lake, or even the ocean. The soft yet durable net is designed to protect the delicate scales on fish. Its fine 1/14 mesh is perfect for small bait fish and minnows, yet strong enough for larger catches. Designed with a fold-away telescopic handle, this net offers convenient storage and transport. It easily fits into a storage compartment or rod locker, ready for your next fishing adventure. Assembly and removal are quick and simple. Just twist the handle to the left to release and to the right to lock it securely when fully extended. What we like. This landing net is designed for ease of use and effective fish handling. Its extendable handle and fine mesh make it ideal for various fishing environments. If you prioritize a net that is both practical for reaching fish and gentle on them, especially for catch and release, this is an excellent choice. What people say. For a foldable net, it has a metal rim that is very sturdy and the mesh is very fine, perfect for my use of catching small aquarium fish. The extending pole is a little less sturdy than I would like, but for how far it extends it is pretty impressive how sturdy it still is. Very nice net. I use it whenever I'm targeting coarse fishes for my local canal where a short net isn't convenient. Much to my surprise, the net is pretty sturdy and I manage to land a few carp with ease even though they are much bigger than the net itself. Number 3. Sougayilang Telescopic Fishing Rod. Introducing our latest fishing rod, designed with the most popular colors this year. It's crafted from durable 24T carbon fiber and features a corrosion-resistant reel seat, ensuring longevity and performance. Experience smooth casting with its stainless steel line guide, enhanced with a ceramic ring for better heat dissipation. The comfortable EVA handle provides a soft grip for extended use. This rod is incredibly lightweight and compact, making it easy to store in your car trunk, backpack, or boat hatch. Enjoy fishing anytime, anywhere. Whether you're fishing in freshwater for bass and trout, or enjoying saltwater surf and inshore fishing, this rod is suitable for all your adventures. It's also a great gift for any fishing enthusiast. Available in 6 convenient sizes and 3 stylish colors, blue, green, and silver, you can select the perfect rod to match your preferences and fishing style. We're confident you'll love this rod, and we back it with a worry-free 1-year after-sales service. Contact us with any issues, and we'll resolve them promptly. What we like. This rod offers a great balance of performance and customization for the everyday angler. Its construction ensures durability and a comfortable grip for extended use. If you appreciate having options in terms of rod length and color, and want a reliable rod for freshwater species like bass and trout, consider this option. What people say. The pole held up really well. Throwing 1 to 1 2-ounce swim baits was perfect. Used this rod for almost 6 years and absolutely no complaints, have caught plenty of 6+ pound fish with no issue, and finally after almost 6 years the rod tip finally started to fry apart, and when I caught a fish it snapped off. I will be buying the same one again, and so should know absolutely no complaints whatsoever about this rod. The reel seat is actually rather strong feeling and looks cool. The telescopic functioned without any issues, the sections stayed out while fighting the fish and casting, they retracted fairly easily when packing it up. Number 2. Fiblink Folding Aluminum Fishing Landing Net. Introducing the Fiblink Folding Aluminum Fishing Landing Net. Designed for convenience and durability, it's your perfect partner for any fishing trip. Crafted with a corrosion-resistant anodized aluminum alloy pole and hoop, this net is built to withstand the elements. The skid-resistant grip ensures a secure hold, even when wet. Its unique nylon mesh features a non-hydrophilic coating, allowing it to cut through water quickly. The stable hexagonal structure ensures firmness and durability, making it easy to land both small and large catches. With its foldable and extendable design, this net is incredibly easy to carry and store. The special fish entrance protects your catch from damage. Whether you're fishing in saltwater or freshwater, this net is up for the task. It's ideal for various fishing environments, including streams, seas, rivers, lakes, and boats. This versatile tool isn't just for landing fish, it can also be used for scooping algae from rivers, making it a handy addition to your outdoor gear. What we like. This landing net is built for serious anglers who need reach and durability. The extended length and robust construction allow for confident fish capture in various waters. If you need a long-reaching, sturdy net that can handle both big and small catches and is easy to store, this is the ideal tool. What people say. Handle length is very good and fully extended, hold a 10 pounds red quite well. The net is far bigger, wider and longer than I expected, and that's a good thing for a fisherman. Folds up nicely and compactly, I was surprised at how small the box it came in was. Seems well made and sturdy. Number 1. Sougayilang OnlyBrave Telescopic Fishing Rod. Experience fishing with less fatigue. This rod is crafted from high-density carbon fiber and e-glass composite, making it incredibly lightweight and perfectly balanced for extended use. Take your passion for fishing wherever you go. Its portable, telescopic design with a retractable handle allows you to enjoy fishing anytime, anywhere. Secure your reel with confidence. The CNC machined aluminum reel seat is not only light and strong but also corrosion resistant, ensuring a tight lock for years to come. Enjoy effortless casting and retrieving. The stainless steel guides are designed for tangle-free operation and smooth line flow, suitable for various fishing lines and saltwater conditions. Surprise the fishing enthusiast in your life. It's ideal for various fishing environments and species, making it a fantastic gift for holidays and special occasions. What we like. This rod is engineered for the angler who values lightness and precision. Its ultralight design reduces fatigue, while the quality components ensure smooth casting and durability. If you are looking for a high-performance, lightweight rod for species like bass and trout, and want a comfortable, fatigue-free fishing experience, this is the one to get. What people say. The smallest one you can buy BTW, 1.8 m I believe. The old rod of the same length had 4 eyes, this one has 5, which is an upgrade for sure. The handle feels better in my hand, it's slightly larger. It collapses down quickly and easily. It's easy to either hold while hiking or keep it in my backpack while backpacking without it sticking out of the pack and catching itself on things. It's lightweight but feels very durable, it feels very well made. From pond fishing to coastal beach pier fishing, this thing works everywhere. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.